Hello and welcome to this Friday, June the 11th edition of UD Talks. Today I get to introduce to all of you a wonderful group on campus known as our student ambassadors. Our student ambassadors have been an active organization for over 20 years here at the University of Dubuque, and they help with everything from giving tours on campus to stuffing envelopes full of letters, to making calls to students, to helping greet visitors to campus, and they're a wonderful, hardworking, very competitive group of undergraduate students. I look forward to you getting to know them, and if you're on campus sometime and see somebody walking backwards, that's the student ambassador. Welcome to UD Talks.
I'm Kate Messino, and I'm going to be a senior here at UD. I'm a bio major, and I'm actually from McHenry, Illinois. And as a student ambassador here, I have the privilege of giving students, incoming students, tours to the campus. One of my favorite things about giving these tours is running into professors, especially Dr. Katani. He always has a way of just coming up to me, noticing I'm giving a tour, and just saying the funniest things. He also has a good way of connecting with the incoming students, especially because he knows that it's going to be their first time on campus and he wants to build that relationship with them right away.
Hey guys, my name is Ion Duenas. I'm a student here at the University of Dubuque majoring in human health sciences, and as well as I'm a student ambassador. One great thing about being an ambassador for our university is you can meet so many new people, as well as make new friends and learn about a lot of different cultures and backgrounds about where people come from. Me being the first person they talk to coming on campus, you hold a really big responsibility, giving the first impressions of the university, giving that energy, how, incoming freshmen will come into the university, how nice people are, you're just giving that first impression of the college life. Because for me, when I was coming to school, I was really nervous. I can say that for myself. My first night here, I was really scared, I was scared if I would fit in, find new friends, and being a student ambassador, you're actually the first person they meet, and you're the first friend they really have on campus. Every time I talk to new students coming on campus, I always, I talk to them, give them my Snapchat if they're really gonna come to our university, just really make them feel like they're welcome, to give them someone they can talk to, someone they can text whenever they come to the university, and just give them that reassurance that you'll always be there for them, regardless if I'm just an ambassador, because I was the first one they met, and I just like making new friends in general. Especially being an ambassador, you meet a lot of new students and you make a lot of new friends.